Welcome back to Red Dirt Magnet Fishing. We are out once again with Backroad Hobbies, Eli and family. We are in Edmond, Oklahoma. We're going to check this creek out and see what we can find. Pulling up to our second location on the side of the road, shell casing. So who knows what we'll find here. Oh, we got a big hit and it's moving. Oh boy. Oh boy, that's going to be the biggest find of the day. Oh! I gotta find it again. Oh, yeah, I got it. Yep. Oh boy. What you got? Yeah, more rebar. A big steel rail. Yeah. I don't know if that's railroad track or. Up here. Oh, I think Eli's coming. Almost. All right, there. There, go. Yep. Is it clear? Yeah. Yeah. That's good. I get it. Then we can go sideways.
That's a big chunk of angle.
That might be a little too long for my truck.
What do you fit in your car?
I don't yet carry the tools to cut it. I haven't had to yet.
Yeah?
I caught a piece of rebar that size once, but I was able to bend it.
Oh, yeah? Man, it seems like you always get to those good cubby holes. Alright. Well, I'll go ahead and get back over there.
That's heavy. How much do you think that weighs?
Oh, I don't know. 30 pounds, probably.
Is that all?
30 pounds? Yeah.
Felt like a lot more pulling it straight up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just convinced my wife this year that I needed a truck to magnet fish. Now I got to convince her I need a trailer.
Easy enough getting one of them little landscape trailers out of Tractor Supply or whatever. They're handy.
Came loose. Whatever it was wasn't moving.
Now, I would not do that. I would lose my balance or get hypnotized by the water. Just fall straight in there.
In Bartlesville, there was a lip about a foot wide on this side of the railing. I stood on it, magnet fish. That's where I was when I pulled up that I-beam and almost got tipped over. Let's see what we got. Spring, boing boing.
Another air compressor like sprayer. That's not hollow.
No, I don't think so. Might be some kind of machinery control arm. Nail. More nail, part of spring. Yep. Another nail. A few more nails.
I didn't know they were delivering mail today.
Let's talk again.
All the way across the creek.
Oh, there we go. I pulled loose. Hopefully. Yeah. Whatever that was wasn't moving. Whatever this is moving. Oh. Oh.
Oh no, you lost it.
Is that a sign? Grandpa said, "Holy cow." Kratos magnets do not quit. For 12% off, go to Kratos Magnetics and use discount code REDDIRT. I'll post a link in the description down below.
See all of that again?
Oh, it's an advertisement for my viewers. Watch out, that's about to... There we go.
Me and Michael just pulled something out just now. Two things.
And this isn't even the thing that I got stuck on. I had to pull free from something out there.
What in the world? I just haven't paddled up. Oh man. I need to go refresh my batteries.
Oh, I should probably check mine too.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
already 2 down.
So, Eli is out changing batteries in his camera. While his family is over here skunking and magnet fishing, she's finding all kinds of pipes over here. Oh, that's a spring. I thought it was a pipe from a distance. Looks like a spring. Big heavy springs. Maybe. Good job, wife of Eli. Was whatever that is sticking up, was that there earlier? Oh, that's it. No, it's another. We got the stick bobber, whatever it is out there, but there's something else right here. Just right there.
I do not know. It wasn't there a while ago.
That's one of the nice things about pulling up big stuff like this, is there's so much stuff underneath it usually.
Oh.
So if you pull up something good, don't stop. Feels like I'm pulling something else along again.
Yep. Cobble cover.
You didn't find anything yet, Eli?
No. Nothing worth a mention. Damn it. What is that?
That's a water cover.
I would keep
Water
that
meter.
for decor.
Oh yeah, little waterhead.
Let's put that up here in the light. The water meter.
You're alive.
Oh, Eli's getting no love today.
We're on the upstream side of this creek, correct?
I have no idea.
It looks like it's all coming this way. I would have thought more stuff would be on that side than anything.
It's not moving, whatever it is, so I just got to yank off of it. Try another angle and come back this way. Pass that over behind you. There we go.
Oh yeah, that ain't moving. How do you yank that off?
Well, it depends. Sometimes just changing the angle works. Sometimes just got to do a sharp, quick. Sometimes I have to use the come along. Oh, there we go. I think that was a rock. I think I was under a rock. I got loose. Another one. Alternator. Oh, a timing belt or something. Maybe. Yeah, chain definitely. It's either an electric, might be an electric motor.
Oh, you did pull something. That's an electric motor.
And a chain.
You did. Yeah, I'm really getting skunked out. Like, your guys are getting more screen time than I am. Yeah, she just pulled something up too. Again. Holy cow. Finally I get something.
It's part of the mounting bracket for that alternator.
Yeah, it probably is a piece off yours.
No, it's this looks like part of the mounting bracket for the alternator or something. Speaking of which, that is my bucket.
Finally got me something here.
You still got a ways to catch up, though.
Yeah.
Oh, I hope I don't get that same rock again. Oh, something there. Oh. Canal shower. Bunch of nails. Just nails. A whole mess of nails. Maybe this just isn't back road enough for you.
No, it ain't. I guess not. We're definitely in your territory.
That's right, it's a fun outing. There. See, the bobber went under. Come on. I see this line. Oh yeah, I just edited the video with you catching your 2 catfish.
Oh, yeah?
That's posting Saturday. Tomorrow.
Wait, when?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
I was right. It was a bobber. I still want to do one throw underneath.
Oh, do you want to head out to the next location too?
I'd go wherever. I'm following you around, man.
Oh, okay. Well, let me get wrapped up. We'll just all head out. I can send you the next location. I have pegged out. I don't know how well it's going to be unless you just want to hang around until we get back.
It's up to you. I got.
Did you just get something else? We could just stay here. You want to just stay here?
Yeah, who knows what we're uncovering underneath all this other stuff.
Go ahead. Go ahead. We'll stay here and we'll do some more. He's in it. Yeah. like you just pulled something up. That was like an old bumper of some sort.
What the hell is this?
I don't know what in the world.
As easy as that pulled off just now, I'm surprised it came up. Oh, do you hear that? Clicked on something. Right down there, wherever I was, I pulled up that bumper thing.
Yep, sure enough.
I'm amazed at how clearly you can hear the click through the water sometimes.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of old nails. Big nails. Rebar. Steel. Oh, jeepers. Oh.
Yeah, we're going to have to get your truck over here at some point. I'm glad you thought about bringing it too.
Looks like a handle. Oh, gee.
You know that?
What?
That was definitely some pop there.
Oh.
What's that?
I think I dropped a nail. A little flake off of this bolt or something. So much rebar.
Yeah. Hold on. I'm trying to find a whole lot. This is what, 2 in a row now? 3 in a row?
What?
Pulling something up.
Yeah, I don't even know. I lost track.
What in the world?
It almost looks like some kind of electrical plate,
Yeah, something.
but
Doorbell, maybe? I don't know.
more.
Nails, and more nails.
What's that?
See if we both can get onto it. See if we both at the same time pull it up.
I wonder which way it goes.
I don't know.
Oh, there's something right there. Let me come around you.
Alright.
Wait for traffic to...
Oh,
sorry. I was trying to not do that.
Oh, nope.
I slipped off or whatever. There's something else right there too. It's just not very...
Ah. That gun? Nope, came off. Oh well.
I was going to go back out.
Oh, I might pass it. I did anyways.
Oh,
You
there.
on it?
Yep.
Alright.
Oh, was.
Was.
Are you back on?
Yep. I don't know how well, but I'm back on.
If we end up stuck together.
Yep. Whatever it is coming. Holy cow, I see it.
Oh, jeepers, crap.
Holy cow. Oh no, we're not touching.
Oh,
Oh.
now we are. Your magnet's not on this one. That's my find.
Okay. I'll fold on that one.
Oh, jeepers. Oh, good.
Oh goodness.
That's all right. Look at that. Watch out behind you, car.
Look. Out of the way first. There we go. Now I'm trying to get back onto whatever else that was out there.
You see where? Is that still sticking up?
Oh no. Yeah, it is. I don't know if that was, I don't know what that was. Definitely metal. You know what, hold on, let me,
It's another one of those friggin'.
here, let me jump on the other side. And see if I can get the other side of it. It's going this way.
It's wiggling loose.
Yeah, it is.
Am I on? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, came loose.
Came loose.
It is. It's another piece of that same railing.
Yeah.
At least this one's not as long.
Well, at least we figured out what that was.
Car coming.
Kick it off. All
Oh, all the rope.
well, I was meaning your magnet. I was put it on down. Man, we're having a heck of a fine day, huh?
Yeah. That's it for red dirt magnet fishing out here with Backroad Hobbies, Eli and his family.
One of them.
Those who have lasted. We'll see you later. Like, subscribe, click on the icon to get notifications for new videos when they come out. We'll see you later.